Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Terraform on Ubuntu 22.04. Terraform team offers package repositories for Debian-based Linux, which allow you to install Terraform using the apt package management tool or any other apt frontend. First, install repository edition dependencies. Next, import the repository GPG key. With the key imported, now add the HashiCorp repository to your Ubuntu system. Now, install Terraform on your Ubuntu Linux system. Check the version of Terraform installed on your system. Verify that the tool works. To test the Terraform installation, we will try to execute the following example. Using the local provider, create a file nix.txt. Next, create the Terraform main configuration file. Then, save and close the file. Next, initialize the Terraform plan and apply. Then, verify whether the file has been created or not.